Today we are going to talk about how to create a spot channel through Photoshop. We first open the image with Photoshop. So first we click on the image, go and adjust one of the sizes we printed. About resolution, we try to make the resolution a bit high. In the pattern, we choose the Quick 4 color mode for the picture. If we want to print white and under colors, we can choose the magic wand here. If you want to be in a single place where you want to print white ink, so you just use the magic wand to click on the image. Select and hold the Alt key. Scroll up and down the mouse wheel to zoom the picture. Then choose one, we can hold down Shift. Click on other areas. It just increases the area you select. If you want to print white ink under all the colors, and we sort of stick with the white area. Right-click after choosing. Choose Similar here. And then it hits all the blank spaces. For example, we also need to ink the eyes of bears. Then I choose this. Then hold down the Alt key. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on it. Then this piece of it will also be used as a white spot color area. Likewise, for example, like this heart. You can see the minus sign underneath it. It means subtracting this piece from the selected area. What we've selected now is the white area outside. So if you reduce, it is equivalent to printing white ink under this piece. Like this one is not selected, we can also reselect modules. Hold down the Shift key to select this area. The plus sign here represents expanded selection. The minus sign narrows the selection. So what we've selected here are all the white areas. We can right-click again. Select reverse face. At this point, we have selected all the colored areas. Then you can confirm. Is it the area where we want to choose spot colors all selected? After selection, we have a channel here. There is a new spot color channel here. We can set this to 100. You can see it more clearly, a spot color area. Click to confirm. So now all the red areas here will print an area of white ink at that time. In our channel, the first channel is a white spot color by default. If we want to make a varnish, then we can do it the way we just did. Also select the area where you want to print the varnish, then create a new spot color channel. If you print white ink and varnish, same location, then we can directly select copy. In this case, the first channel is to print white ink. The second channel is to print in varnish. After setting up, then we directly choose to save as. Select the chip format here. Name whatever you want. OK, recognize CC curve here. Click Save. We must not select these two when saving. Once selected, software may not recognize spot color channels. Therefore, these two options must not be selected. Click OK. It's done here.